You know this better than anyone. First, there's the customer, and then there's you. You have customers to keep and opportunities to seize. You work hard every single day. You have to find new leads, you have to send out newsletters, and you have to call your customers. And lots more besides. But what if all the energy you put into coordinating and remembering all the details could be better spent? What if you could concentrate on doing your best and focus on really making a difference? Growing your business takes hard work. That's why we've designed a system that helps you focus on what's most important. The system is called WebCRM. It won't do your work for you, but it will make it easier to organize your work and to sell more. With WebCRM, it's easy to remember which customers to call or write to today and find time for them all because it's easy to move on to the next activity. It's easy to segment your customers and leads, and it's easy to target your sales activities and newsletters. It's easier to generate new leads from business databases or from your website and to pass them on to the right sales reps. In short, it's easier to manage how and if you grow and to give your best to tasks that require your full attention. The WebCRM system is flexible. You select and combine features as you wish and at a tempo that suits your business. We will help you find the right solution so that you can seize all the opportunities the market has to offer, fully and without obstacles. More than 20,000 users have organized their work with WebCRM, and 70% have increased their sales. The question is, what do you want to achieve? Do your best with WebCRM.